Hey guys, it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and right now I have just foundation on, full coverage, because we're going to try to follow a Nikkietutorials makeup tutorial. I love makeup, but I definitely don't consider myself a makeup artist or like even that good at makeup. Like, I know how to do one look. Like, I got one look and I do that all the time. I'm like actually terrified, so we're about to see what she does. And I'm using her most recent like holiday makeup transformation video so we could have a little holiday spirit. So scared because Nikki is such a queen with eye looks and I am like not that good with eyeshadow, so this is gonna be a real struggle, guys. Also, please make sure to subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. And if you want more makeup videos, comment down below because I don't really do them that much because like I don't know if people like them and I'm insecure, so hi. But yeah, alright, let's just get into this. We already have foundation on, so that's part we're skipping of Nikki's. Also, I definitely won't have like every product she has because I am broke, so forgive me.
For concealer, of course, I'm using the Jouer Essential High Coverage Concealer and a little bit of the Nebla Close Up Stay Full Smooth Concealer.
She's mixing two concealers, girly. Also don't have a makeup sponge because I love brushes way more. She puts a lot of concealer on, okay. She's much tanner than me. Oh.
And now setting my under eyes using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in 05.
I have the Maybelline Fit Me powder because it's my favorite powder ever, so I have one thing that Nikkietutorials has. Hi, the lights are gone because they were being really difficult and making me really stressed out. So here is my Maybelline Fit Me, and she just puts it under her eyes. Girl, my whole face is oily, like I need it everywhere. I'm just gonna take like a really flat brush and just really pack it in, just like Nikki does. The real fun is the eyes because like I can't do eyes, so it's just really gonna be a hoot and a half.
First thing I'm doing, of course, is priming. Then taking my favorite.
So all she said was that she was priming. She didn't say with what, so I'm just gonna prime with my concealer. Wait, did she do eyebrows? Eyebrows are done. So I'm gonna use this ColourPop like brow pomade, and I know Nikkietutorials uses that because I've seen it in other videos. And also I do have the Milk Kush Fiber brow gel that I put on top, so I'm just gonna really try to get that ombre, like a really slick brow, even though I've tried my entire life and I can't get that, so so I have all my little like makeup brushes here. Hi. Now I'm using my Bad Habit Midsummer Night palette from Hush right now as a big mirror. I'm gonna try to get that really slick Nikkietutorials brow.
That's not gonna happen, sweetie.
So she has it like darker on the edges and like really light in the front. If this, like, I hate doing my eyebrows. Oh wow, I made them so big. This is so not cute. I'm gonna take concealer and clean it up. Like, Nikki, can you show me how you do your brows? Like, why is this not shown? I am so bad at eyebrows. Like, that's like the help I need. Hi, are they still like awful? I mean, they're a little bit better from farther away though. Try to comb out some product from like the front. I really tried to do the ombre. It looks so bad. I'm gonna cry. There's nothing I could do to fix them, so I think we should just move on.
Palette, I'm taking this color right here for in the crease. I'm picking that color up on a Ray Morris No. 7 brush.
Luckily, I think that the Jaclyn Hill palette literally has a million oranges, so I think we're fine on that. I'm gonna mix this orange and like this dark one to get that orange. So we're gonna just put that in our crease. I'm gonna add a little bit of red because it's a little bit more red. Yeah, that's good. This is good. This is good mixture. And she usually like wings it out a little bit, so I'm gonna try to do that.
Get all the way to the front to that nose line. And I feel like ever since I started bringing my crease color in towards the front of the brow, everything looks so much more cohesive and my nose contour is on point.
That looks awful on me. I mean, does it? I don't know.
out. On the lid, I'm applying this color right here, my favorite out of the entire palette.
Okay, so the color she's putting on her lid looks exactly like this little pink guy. I'm gonna take like a flat brush and pack that on, and she says she takes it all the way up. I never bring it this high up. Like, I really do leave it at the lid, but she really is bringing it all the way up. So this is what that's looking like. Okay.
3 to highlight my inner corner.
So she took like a blinding white for her inner corner. Luckily I have that Young Love, which is a really, really, really bright white. I'm like kind of good at color matching. Hi. Love being a beauty guru. I can't even do my eyebrows. Just put this really bright white shade right in the corner.
Now I'm going in with a dark brown liner. This one is Rodeo by Dose of Colors, and I'm just sketching out the sort of cat eye shape with this.
So she took a dark brown and is lining her eyes with it, like doing a cat wing. I don't have any gel liners, but I could definitely, I have this dark brown. Yeah, I have dark brown here, the same color, so I could just use that, honestly. Red almost, so I'm gonna use this shade to like make a wing, but I could do it. Me questioning myself, I could do it. That's actually like the same color as hers. I should be a color expert. Can I be a color expert? I don't know, right? So catch me working my colors. Oh no, I made this one a little thick. This is as good as I'm gonna get it. This side's obviously better. But I got like the red wing.
And with the dark brown from the palette, I am buffing that wing out.
Hold up, girly. This is like kind of cute. Like, Nikkietutorials really just taught me some. This eye is so much better than this eye. Like, that eye is kind of disappointing me. So she's taking some like pearly bright white. I'm gonna take the same thing I took earlier, that Young Love color, to put in my inner crease. And I'm just gonna pop that right in this corner. Like, okay, this is like cute. She's smoking out her lower lash line, which like scares me.
And using that same brown.
So she like really intensely put that like dark red underneath, which really scares me because like I always use light colors because I'm scared of dark colors. I mean, I look like I just got beat up, but besides that, it like kind of gave me confidence, this look. Like, I'm like kind of impressed with myself. Like, it's not that great, but like I'm kind of impressed. Smoking it out. That looks so intense, girl. Oh no.
Brown liner, extending my inner corner a bit.
Oh, she does that, extending the inner corner. I've never done that before. This is as much as I can extend my inner corner, whatever the heck that means. I literally never do eyeliner anymore, so this is like a lot. I mean, I did it fine. I just like never do eyeliner anymore. Oh, she also did the little inner corner. I literally look like a raccoon. This eye is so much better. So I'm gonna use my L'Oreal Voluminous mascara because it's literally one of the best mascaras I've ever tried. Like that's the only thing God blessed me with. Like, eyebrows, trash. Complexion, trash. Acne, trash. But like the one thing I have is eyelashes. So okay, like I didn't like do that bad of a job.
We have to bronze, and it should come as a surprise that I'm bronzing using my Jouer Bronzing Duo.
I'm gonna bronze with my Too Faced Pink Leopard bronzer. I literally use this a lot, obviously. She's like going in like little circles like this, which I never do. I always go in a straight line, but did she not do forehead contour? She did! I see it! Why is she not showing this? And she's using a blush like really high up on her face. So I'm gonna use like a color pop like she does.
And of course, for the glow, I'm using Everglow, and I'm mixing the lighter shade with the medium shade.
She's not powdering, so I'm gonna powder for the sake of this entire look. I mean, she's probably just like really not oily and has perfect skin. But girl, Not I, baby. Not I. I kind of look like a drag queen. Like it's just so intense. Because it's Nikki, we have to go and find a really blinding highlight. This one's actually pretty blinding, the Too Faced Candlelight Glow. Love it so. And it's a similar color to what she's using. You see, y'all? It's like real good. I love this highlight. Never do that.
Chin, tip of the nose.
Tip of the nose, she did.
Of the nose. Box. This is a NYX lip lingerie in the color Cabaret Show.
She's using a dark purple. Oh, I only wear nude lipsticks. Okay, so I found like a dark purple. Hopefully this will work. I only wear nudes, so like not wearing a nude right now actually hurts my heart. So it's like, it's ColourPop in Calypso. Wow, I'm like good at color matching, guys. I'm gonna apply my e.l.f. Beauty Shield setting spray. That's so pretty. It's like such a pretty color. Nikki like really taught me like that eyeliner trick where then you just like blur it out. Like I love that and I'm actually gonna use that. Wow, I have a lot on. Like, I'm gonna definitely have to tone this look down to hang out with friends because this is insane. But like, yes, like, okay, Nikki, like, did I fail you? She's never gonna respond to me. But yeah, okay, so I hope you enjoyed seeing me struggle. Comment down below if you like this video, and if you have any video suggestions, please let me know. And yeah, I hope I did it. The highlight's definitely on point. I haven't done a makeup video in so long, but hi. Kind of look like a drag queen. Okay, well, I mean, okay, they're freaking glam, so here I am. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and let me know what you think. Did I succeed? Did I fail? Am I a mess? Hey guys, just a little sips by update what I got for December. I'm so excited to show you guys because y'all know I love my tea, love this tea company so much, where they send you personalized teas every month. And you could just do a little quiz online based on your taste of teas and they'll send you teas that you would like. And I love this company because like I love trying new teas and new flavors and stuff. So they sent me my December teas. Ooh, so made for Jennifer-Biana. Love this. If you want your own, the link will be down in the description below. Love Sips by so much. And they give you all the information for the teas, so I always keep this little paper because I need to know if there's like caffeine in it and stuff. And they even give some little tips on how they would like to have it. Like here it says delicious alone or with milk and sugar. They give me a mixture of like very low caffeine, high caffeine, low caffeine, caffeine free, which I love because I love having like both types of teas. So we got some organic Assam black tea. Love black tea and love that it's organic. Okay. High caffeine. So really excited for this. Love an organic queen. We love her. So here we have Syra Tea Infusion. It's green tea, ginger, and citrus. Masinasa, which looks really pretty. Which one is this? It's a low caffeine one. So it's just an ancient blend and it's like really fruity. So it has lemongrass, lemon peel, orange blossom, and natural flavors. So that's exciting. And now we also have some organic Moringa, spearmint, and sage. Ooh, I love spearmint. Naturally caffeine-free herbal tea. Love that. Okay, great. So excited. I love these at night to drink. Oh, okay, great. Now we get to the fun packaging ones. This is a chocolate mint, which I am very suspicious of, but we will try. It's Tea Pigs, naturally caffeine-free to biodegradable tea temples, chocolate and mint. So this is a little scary, a little frightening, but we're gonna try her. And if you ever want to know how any of the teas are, totally insta DM me and I will tell you all about it. Love like a lot of these teas. This is definitely an adventurous flavor for me, so we'll see how that goes. Let me know if you're digging your December box too in the comments below. Alright guys, bye.